Yes, 7-3 score. Jirang scored 7. Raigada scored 3. What a taken, what a taken. Service goes to Raigada player Mohan. Score 3-7. Yes. Score 3-7. Game is running. What a playing players. Two team players playing as well. Big players, big teams, big match. But who is won, who is lost? Please wait. See this match. Home grounds from Zerang. What a match, evening match. What a shot by player Zerang. Good timing, good technique. Yes. Yes. This is Daba volleyball from Zerang home grounds. Score 3-7. Raigada score 3. Zerang score 7. Match is running. All players, two team players playing well. Good taken, good shots, good timing. Who take the points? See this match. Wait and see. Yes. What is timing? Good placements. What a shot. Game is running. Yes, game is running. Very cool. Score 3-7. Good taken by Zach. What a match. This is evening match. Raigada versus Zerang. First match. Service goes to Zerang. Score 7-3. Score 7-3. Zerang score 7. Raigada 3. Match is running. Evening match. This is first match. Zerang versus Raigada. What a game, yaar. This is Daba volleyball from Zerang home grounds. What a match. Zerang players playing well. Score 7-3. What a timing, what a technique. Yes. Good shots, good takens. Players, all players playing well. Score 7-3. What a game. Raigada versus Zerang. Yes, game is running. Score 7-3. Yes. Good shots. Service goes to Zerang. Score 8-3. Score 8-3. Score 8-3. Yes, what a game. This is evening game, first game. Raigada versus Zirang match. What a match, evening match. Score 8-3. Yes. Good taken. Yes. What a shot. Service goes to Raigada. Score 3-8. Raigada score 3. Zirang score 8. What a game. This is evening match. First match. Raigada versus Zirang. What a match. What a playing players. Zirang players. Good shots. Good takens. Good hitting. Score 8-3. Yes. Achu is running. Shots. Score 8-3. Raigada score 3. Zirang score 8. What a taken. Good shots, good placements. Yes. Oh, super. Excellent taken. Excellent. What a taken by Zirang players. What a game. What a match. Yes, this is evening match. Raigada versus Zirang match. Score 3-8. Raigada score 3. Zirang score 8. Match is running. What a match here. I think very interesting match. Two team players playing well. What a shot. Oh, yes. Good game, good players, good teams, big match. Raigada versus Zirang, home grounds from Zirang. Game is running. What a timing. The shot. This game is running cool. What a game. Raigada versus Zirang game. Yes, what a playing players, two team players. Zirang versus Raigada players. All players playing well, but Zirang players very effective players. Service goes to Raigada score 4-8. Raigada score 4, Zirang score 8. What a game. What an interesting match. I think this is a challenging game. Raigada versus Zirang. Score 8. Service goes to Zirang. Score 8-4. Score 8-4. Zirang score 8. Raigada 4. Isaac versus ZY match. This is evening match. First match. Raigada versus Zirang. Zirang home grounds. What a match. What a game. Good shots, good takens. What a playing players. Two team players. Playing is very well. This is fire, I think. Good match, challenging match. Raigada versus Zirang. Score 4-8. What a taken, what a shots. Yes. Game is running. Very cool. Good shots, good takens. Players playing well. Chirabai versus Zak. Wow, what a timing, what a placement. Good technique. This is Daba volleyball from home grounds, Zirang. Yes. Playing very cool. Yes. Players, all players playing well. Yes, good shots, good takens. But who take the points? See this match. Yes. What a game. All players, Raigada players, Zirang players playing well. But who is the one? Who is the loss? Please watch this match. This is Daba volleyball from Zirang home grounds. Score 8-4. Service goes to Zirang. Score 9-4. Score 9-4. Zirang score 9. Raigada 4. What a placement, what a technique by Isaac, Zirang captain. Is playing very well. Wow, what last ball, final ball, game ball. The winning chance by Zirang, last ball. This is final ball from Zirang. This is game ball. Zirang game ball. Raigada score 4. What a game, what a match. I think this is one-side match. Zirang players, all players were playing well. What a match. This is evening match. First match, Zirang versus Raigada. The final ball from Zirang. This is game ball. Yes, final ball. What a playing players. Finally won by Zirang. Finally won by Zirang team. Won by match Zirang.